of AI projects fail to deliver their intended business value. Let that sink in for a second. Over 80%. That's 4 out of 5 investments just missing the mark. If this were any other capital expenditure, it'd be an absolute crisis. But with AI, businesses tend to just shrug and blame the technology. They assume the model just wasn't advanced enough. But that is fundamentally misunderstanding the root of the problem. You see, the actual reasons behind that massive failure rate rarely have anything to do with the code. Rand's research points directly to unclear business objectives, poor workflow fit, data limitations, and technology-first decision-making. And other industry commentary repeatedly backs this up, highlighting undefined success criteria. These aren't model failures. The AI usually does exactly what it's programmed to do. No, these are planning and operational failures, and they begin the exact moment you decide to skip the audit.
So to fix this, we need to completely reframe the process. An AI audit is absolutely not a compliance scorecard. It's not some online questionnaire that spits out a percentage grade. It is a rigorous operational diagnostic. A proper audit examines your workflows, your data, your systems, your team, and your actual on-the-ground realities. It's specifically designed to tell you exactly where AI could help, and more importantly, what would need to change before it can function reliably.
Misunderstanding this distinction usually leads to 3 common failures. The first one, treating the audit as a compliance scorecard, just to produce a generic maturity grade, which, let's be honest, tells you absolutely nothing about what to actually build or fix first.
The second failure is auditing the technology stack, but completely ignoring the actual workflow structure. Remember, you can't automate a broken process and somehow expect a fixed outcome. If the workflow is unclear, AI won't fix it. It'll just expose it.
And the third failure? Skipping the audit entirely just because a vendor's offering already looks compelling. By doing that, you're bypassing the exact diagnostic that proves whether it actually fits your unique environment.
So what does getting it right actually look like? Well, a proper operational diagnostic examines 5 distinct layers. We're looking at workflow, data, systems, team, and governance. It methodically maps out how information actually moves through your business, not how you wish it moved. A real audit asks not just what the business could do with AI, but what it should not do yet. It establishes the firm boundaries of your current operational capability.
And because it's a diagnostic, it doesn't just hand you a generic score. It produces one of 4 clear, definitive outcomes: proceed, narrow, stage, or pause. Each of these recommendations provides your implementation team with a tangible, actionable starting point. It takes the pressure off the business by clarifying exactly whether this is the right moment, the right scope, and the right sequence for an investment. Now, Omnisenti's AI readiness and workflow audit is built on this exact diagnostic structure. It doesn't produce a maturity score. Instead, it produces a clear picture of what AI can do in your business and exactly what would stop it. Conducted against your actual workflows, your data environment, and your risk profile, it delivers a clear operational directive. That might be an immediate build, a staged approach, or a mandate to pause and fix your foundation first.
Ultimately, a business that knows what it is not ready for is far more prepared than one that bought a tool without asking. If you're a senior leader preparing for an AI investment, or honestly, if you're already halfway through procurement and realizing you might have skipped a step, you need that clear operational picture first. If you're planning an AI investment, start with the audit. Reply audit to find out exactly what that looks like.